1. First, press and hold the power button plus single cup button for 5 seconds to enter temperature control mode. The power light and extraction button blinking means the default temperature is 92 degrees. Press the ground button once to decrease the temperature by 2 degrees. Power plus ground plus single cup buttons blinking equals 90 degrees. Power plus ground buttons blinking equals minimum temperature 88 degrees. Press the double cup button once to increase the temperature by 2 degrees. Power plus single cup plus double cup buttons blinking equals 94 degrees. At the maximum temperature 96 degrees, the power plus double cup buttons will blink. Finally, press the power button to save. Press and hold power plus ground plus single cup plus double cup buttons at the same time.